Your business runs on software, but with every new tool you add, a hidden problem grows: digital fragmentation. The very tools meant to create efficiency are now the primary source of chaos. This fragmentation is a silent killer of growth. It creates data silos, forcing you to make decisions with an incomplete picture. It drains productivity as your team constantly switches between apps, and it costs you more than just subscription fees. It costs you time, focus, and opportunity. But what if you could replace all that chaos with clarity? The solution isn't just another app to add to the pile. It's a fundamental shift in strategy. It's time to move from fragmentation to integration. This strategy is called the Unified Business Platform. It's a model where all your core business functions, marketing, sales, operations, and customer data live inside a single, cohesive ecosystem. It's how the world's most successful companies build seamless experiences. With a unified platform, you go from a business built on shaky ground to a fortress of stability. From juggling dozens of tools to mastering one. From a fragmented view of your customers to a 360-degree understanding of their entire journey. So now you have a choice. You can continue down the path of complexity, accepting digital chaos as a necessary evil. Or you can choose the path of clarity and control by adopting a unified platform strategy. Adopting a unified strategy is the most important decision you can make for your business's future. And we want to help you do it right. That's why we created Mission 1000, a focused initiative to help a select group of 1,000 entrepreneurs escape digital chaos and build their own unified business platform. If you believe in the power of a unified platform, this is your invitation to act. Don't just agree with the strategy, be one of the leaders who implements it. Click the link to learn about Mission 1000 and see if you qualify to join.